So what we have here today is a recoil here from a Power More snowblower that has seen some better days here. Still works here. The spring is still tight. I'll put a end card at the end of this video if you need to rewind the spring here. This one here, we'll just go ahead, pull it all the way out till it stops. We'll jam a screwdriver in here to keep it from unraveling, and then we'll go ahead and pull this cord out here. Now it really helps a lot if you have like a bread tie or a small thin wire, is that what we'll do is feed it through the hole here and stick it through here, and then when we get our new line here we can pierce it and then pull it through very easily. Okay, this was some pretty tough cord here, so I just took and wrapped that around there, and when we feed her through here, pull it through, comes through a lot easier. And we'll just go ahead and tie a knot in here, and then we'll attach this handle here, because the one that came here, this is more for a lawnmower and you can't get your gloved hand through here, so we'll go ahead and put this one on the other end. Okay, I have the correct length here. Went and tied a knot in there, and what I'll do is I'm going to take and cut this off, and then I'm going to sear the end here with a match or some heat, and that'll melt the end there to keep it from fraying. Now we can just remove this screwdriver here and it will tighten back up. All ready to reinstall it.